The fuel pump is an essential component of the engine's fuel delivery system, as it is responsible for transporting fuel from the tank to the injector rail at the correct pressure. This allows the injectors to atomize the fuel efficiently inside the combustion chamber and ensures proper engine operation. However, when this component fails, it can cause several symptoms that negatively affect engine performance. The main symptoms of a faulty fuel pump include loss of power, sluggish acceleration, difficulty starting the engine, jerking or hesitation while driving, lack of power when climbing hills, engine will not start. To test the fuel pump, it is necessary to use a fuel pressure gauge and have the vehicle's technical specifications which indicate the correct operating pressure of the fuel system. Connect the pressure gauge to the injector rail and start the engine. Observe how the pressure rises and compare it with the value specified by the manufacturer. If the pressure is too low or drops after a certain period of operation, it is very likely that the fuel pump is damaged and must be replaced. Another common failure occurs when the pump does not retain pressure in the fuel system. To check this, connect the pressure gauge to the injector rail and start the engine until the pressure reaches its maximum operating value. Then, turn off the engine and observe the gauge for several minutes. If the pressure drops to zero, the fuel pump is most likely defective because the internal check valve is not holding pressure. This causes extended crank time or delayed engine starting. If the problem is that the fuel pump does not activate, the cause is usually found in the electrical system. To verify pump activation, turn the ignition key to the on position. You should hear a brief humming sound coming from the fuel tank. Then, attempt to start the engine and check again for the activation sound of the pump. This indicates that the fuel pump is being properly energized. If no sound is heard, there may be a blown fuse. Check the vehicle's fuse box and locate the fuse corresponding to the fuel pump, usually identified as FP or fuel pump. If the fuse is damaged, replace it with one of the same amperage rating. It is important to know that the fuel pump requires two basic elements to operate: power supply voltage, 12 volts, and ground connection. To test these values, a test light must be used along with the fuel system wiring diagram to identify the correct terminals. To check the activation voltage, connect the test light clip to chassis ground and the probe tip to the positive power terminal of the fuel pump connector. Turn the ignition key to the on position. If the test light illuminates, the pump is receiving voltage correctly. If the test light does not illuminate, there may be damage in the wiring or electrical circuit that must be repaired. To check the ground connection, connect the test light clip to the positive battery terminal and the probe tip to the ground terminal of the fuel pump connector. If the test light illuminates, the pump has a proper ground connection. If the test light does not illuminate, there is a fault in the ground circuit that must be corrected. Finally, if both power supply voltage and ground are present, but the pump does not activate, it is very likely that the fuel pump is defective and must be replaced. I recommend watching the following videos on my channel, where you will learn how to identify failure symptoms and solutions for different vehicle system components. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video. See you in the next video.